The Diwali is so close by and we are bringing in new collection every single day. That's why today I'm going to launch some fresh creative Kanjivarams for the week. Let's go. The first sari that we have here is the Kalamkari fish weave Kanjivaram in Tiffany blue color, and this is the newest edition at Ayla. Let's talk about the pallu. The pallu looks so rich, so regal, intricately woven in gold zari. Let's move on to the body, where the borders are a huge highlight which is woven with fishes in Kalamkari style, and at the top you're going to find these water ripples woven in gold zari. This is something new and never seen before. The second sari that we have here is the Romantic Roses Kanjivaram in ivory gold tone. Well, floral sari lovers, this is the sari that you must definitely check it out. Well, we'll talk about the pallu. The pallu has got these floral patterns woven along the either sides with intricate detailing running through the center in gold zari. Let's move on to the body. The borders has got these romantic roses woven in the combination of both pink and green silk threads, and the tone of the sari is a beautiful, stunning ivory gold tone. If you are a lover of subtle shades, this is the sari to go for. The third sari that we have here is the dreamy peach Cosmos Delight Kanjivaram. Well, this is the newest edition at Ayla. This is something very new and we've never done this design earlier. So let's talk about the pallu here. The pallu has got these paisley motifs with Persian inspired floral detailing done using silk threads and gold zari. Now let's move on to the body. We have these amazing Cosmos woven using pink silk threads, and at the top we have these abstract patterns woven in a beautiful peach tone in gold zari. If you are planning to get tons of compliments, this is the sari to go for. The final sari that we have here is the Korean pink wildflower Kanjivaram. The design itself gets all the attention that it needs. Let's talk about the pallu. The pallu has got these line inspired patterns with tiny floral butta detailing done using gold zari. Now we'll talk about the body. The body has got these amazing pink Korean flowers which is highlighted using gold zari, and the body looks super contemporary. Well, if you're looking for bold and beautiful flowers, this is the sari to go for. We are launching these 4 stunning creative Kanjivarams today on our website. So if you like the sari, go shop now. Bye.